In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove red squiggly or wavy lines in Microsoft Word documents. If you see red squiggly or wavy lines underneath words in your Microsoft Word document, these marks usually indicate that Word's spelling checker has detected a possible spelling mistake. They can be helpful while writing, but if you want a cleaner document without these lines, you can turn them off. First, open Microsoft Word and open the document where you see the red squiggly lines. Next, click the File tab in the top left corner of the Word window. From the File menu, select Options. This will open the Word Options window, where you can change different settings for Microsoft Word. In the Word Options window, select Proofing from the list on the left. Now, look for the section called When Correcting Spelling and Grammar in Word. To remove the red squiggly lines, find the option labeled Check Spelling as you type. Click the checkbox next to this option to turn it off. When the check mark is removed, Word will stop checking your spelling while you type, which means the red wavy lines will no longer appear. If you also want to remove other proofing marks related to grammar, you can review the available grammar checking options in the same section and adjust them according to your preference. Once you've made the changes, click OK at the bottom of the Word Options window to apply them. Return to your document and check the text. The red squiggly or wavy lines should now be removed. Keep in mind that turning off spelling checks also means Word will no longer automatically point out possible spelling mistakes as you type. If you find this feature useful later, you can return to the same settings and turn it back on. And that's how you can remove red squiggly or wavy lines from Microsoft Word documents. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel,